What's going on, guys? It's your boy Zenith, Zenith Peanut. Frick, man, y'all got that stuck in my head now. Today I'm gonna go ride with a good friend of mine. His name is, I don't know if he has his actual name revealed, so I'll go ahead and call him, what is it, Isaiah Yam, I think is his Instagram. So that guy, little R3. I like to bully the baby bikes. But in addition, I'm trying out the new wide angle on this GoPro that I have here. Let me know if you like it. I think I can kind of see it through my helmet, like the view of it, and I kind of like it for YouTube at least. Maybe not for TikTok, but for YouTube, because you can see the bike and the road, and a lot of people have been complaining about not being able to see the road or not being able to see the bike. So, you know, I feel like this is the best of both worlds. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up because I have an issue of not doing that thing, and I'm gonna go find this guy. He should be passing me at some point on this road, and then we'll go say what's up, and then we'll do the whole shebang, you feel me? All right, I finally found the man. He's in my rear view, you can see there. But we're gonna go to some twisty roads, probably just the ones I know, you know, because we know I only know so many twisties around these parts. But I guess I'll stop here. Those mirrors are nice. Dude, I want some mirrors that are stealth like that. That's kind of sick. Are those the same mirrors you had?
I think I upgraded them to like slightly bigger.
Oh, okay.
But it's because someone stole the other ones at one burger. And it was like flopping. And then I dropped it.
That's fair. Yeah, it's not that bad though from when you dropped it. Yeah. That's sick. Does it still? That man's burning that clutch. He thought. Haha, he thought. I love just bullying baby bikes. My bike's not even fast. That's why I ride with 300s, because they're not fast either. And I can make fun of them for being slower than me, because they're the only bikes that are slower than me. But it's cute, you know? It's a Yamaha, so it's already cute automatically. You know, he already automatically gets points. Pretty little thing. I'm giving him free rollers right now. He better give me some, like, oh god, some money. He gotta pay me for this charity work I be doing right now. I never come over here. This is like the opposite side of where I normally ride, because this part's a little bit ghetto. It starts to connect to Fort Worth at this point, and it's a little bit sketchy, so I usually just kind of steer clear of that nonsense. But you know, anyways. Okay, important question. Let me know if you ride a bike, okay? How many fingers do you use for the clutch lever? I'm trying to figure it out, but I always forget to think about it. I think I'm a 2-finger guy, but then whenever I'm riding, I oftentimes rest 1 finger, just in case for like an emergency clutch situation, I guess. Because I know it's fine to hover over your clutch lever, but you're not really supposed to touch the brake. Not touch the brake, but hover the brake, because you could accidentally touch it, and then it all goes wee-woo, wah-woo, you feel me? So, I don't know, though. I might just be making things up and pretending like I'm an MSF instructor right now. But, anywho, let me get to some fun roads, and then we can pick this up. My jaw really hurts. This helmet's a little too small. God bless. I'll let this freak through. Come on in, buddy. Come on in. I wanted to go through those going so bad. Did you see me hesitate? And I was like, well, what if there's like gravel or a broken road or something? I probably should abide by the law today. Probably should. Man, I want a black bike so bad. Them things look so good. But I'm looking into getting a new bike in the near future. In addition to Pluto. Pluto's not going anywhere. But a new bike. I'm not going to say anything about it. Okay? Some people know what it is. Some people don't. He's trying to grab my butt. I thought there was a car pulling up on me. That man's chain needs some work. It just needs a new chain and some, make it tight and stuff. That thing is jiggling and wiggling, baby. Let's get it. He's pointing at something and giving him a thumbs down. He's got an op right now. I don't know who it is. It's probably the pet care center. Look at this man. You can hear that chain, dude. He needs to fix that. Why is he pumping? Oh, yeah. Ah! I'm about to hit him. I can do something he can't. Are you ready? Wait. Woo! No, it is very windy today. It is super windy. I was like leaning way left and my tire's going right. I need to drop my tire pressure so I can have a little bit of stability up there in the top end. I kind of want to turn here so I don't have to deal with the silly geeses of the world, aka traffic. I don't know why I said that the way I did. Ooh, it's a nice day out. It's like humid, but the breeze is cold, so it's like nice. It's like hot, but then it cools you down whenever you're riding. At a stoplight is not the most enjoyable experience, but you know, sometimes that's okay. Sometimes, you know, it's good to be uncomfortable. Life lessons with your boy. I don't trust this man. No, sir. Get up out of here. Frick you. Man, I can't stand this guy. Send nudes. That's pretty sick, man. Oh, you want me to send you nudes? Well, I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Right now? Take a pic. Oh my goodness. Freak. Those green lights are kind of sick. I know, I hear it. I can hear it. That it's like loose? Oh. Okay. Huh. I thought he just stalled. I was about to make fun of him. I have no clue what he just said, but he said something. That chain is making me anxious, baby. Anxioso. Oh yeah, they just built a Taco Bueno right there. He used to live here, but he moved and he lives in, like, I don't know, somewhere farther than me. And man, things just be changing, don't they? Don't they? Donde está la leche? I'm telling y'all, bro, I'm fluent in Spanish. Y'all just don't believe me. Y'all just aren't rocking with me. Y'all are fake for real. Fakeity fake fake. Doot doot. Doot 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 doot. Stunt Rider Zenith about to make an appearance. Are you guys ready? Okay, get set. Okay, all right. As soon as this little guy turns, there you go, buddy. Boom. Tank set. Sat on the tank. He don't got it like me. They call me Aaron Colton Jr., aka Zenith Colton. Aaron's my dad. This way. Yeehaw. Oh, God bless. Dude, it takes forever to get to this little spot I'm trying to get to. It's so out of the way and useless and pointless, and life just sucks. It just does.
You gotta go to color.
You got what?
You gotta go to color.
Oh, you do? Do you want to go back around? Okay, bet. Okay. So you turn here or what? Okay. Well, shoot. Change of plans. He said, I gotta go to Keller. Who do you think you are? God bless. I'll catch him. 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 No U-turn. Suck me sideways. I'm gonna make a U-turn as I abide by the law. This is crazy. I'm gonna catch him. I'm destined. I'm destined. I'm turning left. I'm turning left in Mexico. I'm turning left. Here we go. No U-turn. These nuts, baby. Let's get it. Now I gotta catch him. It's a game of cat and mouse now. No shot, there's a red light. Oh, green. Yeah. If it turns red and then these cars aren't turning right, I'm going to commit crimes. Excuse me, Ernie's, could we perhaps speed it up a little bit? Boop. To cancel out my illegal U-turn, I will use my legal blinker. And I will catch my legal friend who is legally riding his bike with a license. Actually, I don't know if he has that. That's silly. Oh, he's got his hazards on. He's waiting for me. Yippee! I see you, buddy! I'm coming! I just saw him. Where is he at? Hello! Yay! Uh-oh. Is he stuck? No, he's waiting. Okay. I thought he was pulled off for a different reason other than the one that I had seen. His blinker lights on the rear are not supposed to be on, I don't believe. That's what I call a problem. You know, I was looking at Matthew Woods today, not looking at him. Matthew, I'm not staring at you through your window, I promise. I used to, but I'm past that now. But I was looking at his videos on YouTube. I don't know how you daily upload. I don't know how you do it. I can't, like, it's hard for me to ride once a week. You know what I mean? And like, no excuses. By all means, that man be pimping out. And I could definitely probably do it if I wasn't like streaming every night on Twitch. Twitch.tv/iipurpose, by the way. I enjoy streaming, so I'm not going to sacrifice that for more YouTube. But I did post a thing to my Instagram subscribers saying that I'm going to try to upload on YouTube twice a week. So by the time you're seeing this video, it's a Saturday. I'm going to try to have another video up on either Wednesday or Thursday. And I'm going to try to keep that going for a little bit, just because I need to grow my YouTube. You know, TikTok's getting taken down. Biden signed that little bill. So I think I'm just going to, you know, hit him with a YOLO swag money bust down AP rolling on my wrist. You feel me? Which essentially translates to I don't know, I forgot what I was saying, but whatever I said, just like take that with a grain of salt. I also don't know what that saying means. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna try to upload twice a week in the future. Let's get it. This bike is loud sometimes. I don't get how people don't ride with a baffle in. I have a baffle in. I know, oh my god, Zenith, it cuts off your performance. This is barely even a super bike. This isn't even a super bike. This is a glorified naked bike is what an R7 is. And all the R7 haters in the comments, you know, I understand what you're saying. I'm never saying your point is invalid. I'm just saying you look like a bit of an idiot acting like I bought an R7 without knowing what it was. I know it's a CP2 engine. You probably don't because you're a forehead. But I do. Daddy does. And I know that it's not a Zoom Mobile. You know what? A Zoom Mobile is also $15,000 to $30,000. And your boy don't got that, okay? I don't want to spend that much money on a two-wheeled motorcycle. Now, a three-wheeled motorcycle, we can talk some business. Hey. Hey there. Oh, it's dead. Womp womp. His GoPro's dead. What a loser, dude. It's dead? Haha. Couldn't be me.
I turned it off.
I got 76%. How do you feel about that? Ah! That guy's smoking a cigarette. If you smoke cigarettes, I don't like you very much. Honestly, I kind of dislike you a little bit. I don't know who that guy was honking at. I do know I really have to pee, but I gotta go make TikTok videos too. The suspension be bouncing. What a freak honking. Oh. I can hop on. Haha. That guy waved at him like he knows who he is. Why does everybody know who he is, but nobody knows who I am? Frick, man, don't give me that. Frick you. I'm gonna poke it. I'm gonna poke it. I got it, by the way, in case you were curious. Do 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 do. Name that song for a cash prize of 0. Like nothing at all. At all. Boing, boing, boing. Frick you, frick you, frick you, frick you, frick you. I just harassed his clutch. Whew. NBT gloves. Use code Zenith for 15% off your order. Look at that gum carabiner on here. Oh, I got you. I broke it on accident. Oopsies. Alright, I'm gonna do one wheelie as I end off the video, I think. Any copies? Nope. Free reign, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys next time. He's going home. I'm gonna go film some TikTok videos because I'm a TikTok creator. But I appreciate you all watching so much. It means the entire world and a half to me. And stay tuned for the video that'll be coming out on either Wednesday or Thursday. I'm probably gonna record that today too. But I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you so much. Love you to death. And I will see you in a few days.